welcome to the another video. Today I am going to show you how to bypass Google account from J7 model. Here you can see the home screen of this model, and you can go to the next option. It is locked from a Google account that I cannot remember the password, so this is locked. So how to bypass that account? So I am going to show you the simple step how to bypass this account. This will check the option and software update. This is going to, and this will show a option where we have to insert a Google ID. So I don't know the previous Google ID that I have installed over here. So how to remove this? Okay, let's see. First of all, we are going to click we are going to turn on the talkback option. So by pressing with two fingers in the screen for a few seconds, then it will enable the talkback option. So okay, this is talkback option. So after this we have to click L shape in the menu in the option, and we can go to the talkback setting. Okay, now go to the terms and services. Okay, it will show the your request has been declined. For previous method we are doing this, we have done this from by clicking on the terms and services. We have bypassed the model. So now it's after an update it can be used from this. The security reasons has been cancelled for this option, so we can go to back. Now we have to insert a SIM card into this phone, and with the SIM card with a pin lock. Okay, we have to insert a block SIM into this phone. Now let's insert the SIM. Okay, now let's insert our SIM. First of all, power of the device, and for this method we have to take a wireless earphone. I have a wireless OnePlus wireless earbuds. So if you should also have a wireless headphone or wireless earphone, so that you can bypass this model. So I am going to insert a SIM card, which one is already blocked. So I have to unblock this SIM and go to the further steps. So I am going to show you here. I am going to turn on the phone. Okay, let's exit. Okay, now turn on next. Okay, here enter a SIM block. Okay, enter a SIM pin. Okay, we can click onto the emergency call, and we can click 112 for the emergency number. We have to click on Bluetooth option while calling the emergency call. Now let's click on the Bluetooth option. Now this is scanning the devices. Now let's turn on the my device, Bluetooth device. Now it will scan the my Bluetooth device. Okay, here I can see the OnePlus Buds Wireless Z. I have to pair it first. Okay, this one is connecting, and this one has connected successfully. Now we can go back to the home screen. Okay, we can go to the lock screen. Now click on the button, just long press the button. After clicking it, it will listening. Okay, open Chrome. This will open Chrome. Okay, now accept and continue. Okay, no thanks. Okay, now here we have to search quick shortcut maker. Okay, APK. Okay, we have to go Now click on the APK mirror. It will give the actual application. I trust this site, so I'm going to download the file from this site. Now yes, this one is the quick shortcut maker, and we have to download the APK from this site. Click on the download APK. Okay, this one is going to download. Okay, update permission. Okay, you have to allow the permission. Okay, click on OK. This one is already downloaded, and I have to download another file also, which one is Google account manager 6.0 APK. Now this will also show the APK mirror website. Now we can go to this link and download the APK version of this file. Okay, click on OK. Now open. Now this will show the file that I have downloaded recently. Okay, now click, first of all we have to click on the APK mirror. This one we have to setting and go to the unknown sources. Okay, install. Done. And we have to go to this site, and we have to install this. Okay, install. Let's open this. Now we have to open this. Now this will show the search option. Now we have to insert GOOGLE Google Account Manager, and here we can find like here are lots of Google Account Manager, but we have to click on this option, type email and password. Okay, we have to click on this option, Google Account Manager, type email and password. We have to click on this option. Okay, then let's try this. Click on try. Okay, now we don't have to input the password over here. We have to click on the three dot and browser sign in option. Okay, click on here. Click on OK. This will show another option in the display. Now we have to insert a new or if we have another Gmail ID, then we have to sign in with this. Now I am going to wait. Okay. Okay, this will sign in. Now we are at the conclusion of this video. Now we have to click back. Now I think all the process has been completed. Now we have to click back. We have to click back and go to the first menu. Okay, now now we can start over from the here. Now click on start. The Wi-Fi is already connected, so click on next. Click on next and agree. This will take some times, so the software is updating over here. Now this will show the account is added. This will show the account is added, and click on next. The previous ID was already disabled, so we have just log in the new account. So this will this has installed the new ID to this mobile, so this one is ready to bypass. We are at the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please go to the subscribe button and keep supporting me. I will make this type of videos of another time also. So keep comment and like my video, and if this video helps you a lot, then just share this video to your friends, family, to bypass the set. This will take some times. This one is J5 model. By this like this way, in this way we can bypass another other model also. So try this video to unlock other phone also, other Samsung models also. So this video will help a lot. Okay, we have to insert time. Now click on next. We will set up it later. No, okay, not now. And we have to skip this. Skip anyway. You can set it later also. You are almost complete, so we don't have to insert any of this. Okay, skip all the option. Now next, click on next. Agree. Okay. Okay, we are at the end, and okay, your phone is completely bypassed. So hope you like this video. This video has helped you a lot. So, okay, thank you for this video. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.